Okay guys, for the next question, what if ganito na? 20% of what is 45? So kanina 6% of 20 is what? This is how we solve. This is based on analyzation of the problem. No formula. So 20% of is multiplication of what? Ito ang hanapin in equals 45. So 20 over 100 times n equals 45. So kailangan natin siyang i-transpose para maiwan si n equals 45 divided by 20 over 100. And to when it comes to division of fraction, it's 45 times kabaliktaran 100 over 20. Next, so 45 times 100, it's 45 divided by 20. Meaning to say ilang 45 sa 20. And that's 225. So the answer for this question, 20% of what is 45 is 225. I'm sorry. Wala siya dito. Wala siyang solving dito. I don't know why. But since wala, I'll just show you guys what is the answer. Just in case, you can try to research that on Google. And na-check ko rin, it's all the same. You can follow me for more and hope you got this one. Thank you.